Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Deon back again with another video. So today we're simply just going to be making a beat as usual. So I have a piano here from Triton. So now I have this chord progression. It plays in D sharp minor. So let me just zoom in so I show you guys exactly what notes I played. So the first note is a G sharp minor, and then the second one is a D sharp minor again, and then the last one is a C sharp major. Sounds like this. Yeah, pretty vibey. But one thing we're gonna do is we are gonna move up all these middle notes up an octave, and then we're gonna reverse the chords, and we're gonna create another pattern with it. So Alt Y to reverse the chords. I'm gonna move all the middle notes just a bit. We're just gonna move them a bit just to create rhythm, because I'm planning on reversing the chords. It sounds like this. And now we're gonna export it out, and then okay. So now first, before we reverse it, we're actually gonna come here and we're gonna edit some properties. We're gonna sample it, downsample it. We're gonna come here, edit properties, and change the sample rate to about 2000. Let's try 2000 and see how it sounds. 2000, resample, and then tempo sync and accept. Come to this button here, and then it will take it to the piano roll. So the first part sounds like this. First we're gonna reverse it, both of them. We're gonna reverse both of them, so they sound like this. Which I simply just got rid of the hi-hat. Next up, I came in with this bell from the same plugin and playing the same chords initially. Together with the reverse chords. Next up, I then came in with this vocal. So it's in C sharp minor. So it's in C sharp 1, 2. So we're gonna move it up 2 semitones for it to be in key with the rest of the chords. Yeah. I'm actually gonna move it on time. Next thing I then came in with is this percussion loop. First thing we're gonna do to it, we're actually gonna decrease the cut a little bit, just so it pushes it more in the background. Together with the rest of the melody. This is just to create more atmosphere, you know, for the beat. Actually made the drums. And first of all, I increased the tempo to 108. So the drums alone sound like this. Yeah. So the first thing I actually came in with is this shaker loop, 110 shaker loop. The Kremio winning shaker loop. Came in with this perk loop. Then came in with these rims. Actually, it's like 3 rims. Next thing, I then came in with these perks. These just complement the rest of the drums, just to create some variation and some bounce. Together with the rest of the drums. Then of course a kick. Yeah, pretty vibe, you know. Next thing I came in with is synth bass. I actually used 2 basses for this. First of all is this synth bass and an 808, the deep spins 808. So they both play on the same time for some particular parts of the beat. First of all, as you can see, for the synth bass, it plays this. And yeah, how you simply create a slide on this, you simply just click the node and then you double click it and then you select this, and then it will actually be a slide, and then you can make it how long as you want or how short as you want. So as you can see, the other part, so the next pattern, which is now the 808, it only plays where there's space. Let me say, as you can see, I left this space from the synth bass. There's nothing plays here, this is bass. That's why the 808 plays there. This is just supposed to make space for the bass so they don't clash. Together they sound like this. Yeah, pretty vibey. So I then have a second pattern for the 808, just for the verse part. Next thing I added on the master is a Fruity Love filter, and it's a low pass filter. And I'm gonna create an automation. Right click, and then create the automation clip, and then we're simply gonna do this, and it's only gonna be active here and not down up. So this is the only part it's gonna be effective here. It's not effective. Only here it's gonna be effective. I made a pre-arrangement, mixed it a little bit. So here's the finished result. This is the result we made. So as you can see, there's a lot of variation here. The patterns are pretty similar, but you know, I'm introducing things and I'm taking out things just to create some variation. Here's the finished beat. Peace out. See you in the next one.